me feeling like I'm Akademiks. Can't
Okay, we did all that. Oh, man. NLE Choppa calls out Youngboy yet again. Check this out.
You pussies don't know though. You hear me? Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. But I do, nigga. I do, nigga. And y'all think I'm crazy. I'm the fool. Okay? Watch how this shit pan out. And we gonna really see who really the fucking fool. And we really gonna see who really the fucking one. Pussy wipe that spit off your face, bitch. That boy in trouble. You pussies don't know though. You hear me? Y'all don't know that.
Now, here's the problem I believe with NLE Choppa. And I like NLE Choppa. But NLE Choppa is coming across as a hater to everyone else. He's not coming across as someone doing some dope shit. And I do think he's trying to do both. I think he's trying to do some dope shit collaboratively. I think he's trying to do some dope shit creatively. And I definitely believe he's trying to, like do some hip hop shit and like challenge Youngboy. However, none of this is coming across right. It's all coming across like a hating ass nigga. And that's the problem. That's the problem.
That boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. But I do, nigga. I do, nigga. And y'all think I'm crazy. I'm the fool. Okay? Watch how this shit pan out. And we gonna really see who really the fucking fool. And we really gonna see who really the fucking one.
I think he definitely understands that people feel like he's cloud chasing a lot. There's no other way around it. People feel like you're, doing the most, trying to get on these platforms to try to say something that people would care about in regards to your issues with Youngboy, while Youngboy got issues all the time. He's usually working not to, put it out or whatever. Like I don't know. Anyway.
Pussy wipe that spit off your face, bitch.
Yeah, the beef don't seem authentic. I feel like, you could have called him out before. It feels like it's kind of biting off a little bit of Youngboy's motion. I think that's where people are alarmed by. Like, if it wasn't seen, on a storyline level, like it's kind of rooted in such hate, people would probably support it more.
Boy in trouble. You pussies don't know though. You hear me? Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. Y'all don't know that boy in trouble. But I do, nigga. I do, nigga. And y'all think.
Wrap it up then. Okay. Did we talk about the deposition that Fredo Bang got into? Let's kind of look at it. I thought we did though. Fredo Bang deposition. Here we go.
Purposes protected claim
in for Broward County, Florida. The case number today is CACE-20-017735. Today's date is September 26, 2024. This deposition is being held virtually. The court reporter today is Neilana Jackson on behalf of Magna. The video operator is Carl Starkweather on behalf of Magna. At this time, could counsel and others please introduce themselves and state who they represent?
John Phillips for the estate of Christopher Thomas.
And Aaron Papero on behalf of the co-plaintiff, Philip Holodeck.
Mark DeCalden and D'Amica Davis here on behalf of Frederick Givens.
Good morning, Scott Kagan on behalf of two defendants, 100K Management LLC and Jameson Francois.
My name is Tom Lynch. I'm the special master for the depositions, I think for other discovery matters as well.
Okay. Is that all? All right. At this time, could Ms. Jackson please swear in the witness, and after which we can proceed with the deposition. Thank you.
Mr. Givens, would you raise your right hand to be sworn, please, sir?
I'm a witness.
Yes.
You're the deponent. Yes.
Not of any particular thing, just for purposes of the deposition.
Oh, okay. That's just the word y'all use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what our witness doing, bro?
Do you affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Whenever the attorney's ready, I'm ready.
Thank you so much. Mr. Givens, my name's John Phillips. I represent Juvie's family. So Christopher Thomas. Look, I've gone through a lot of your stuff. We're going to have a lot of questions for you today, but it's going to be fair. And you've got two attorneys and basically a judge sitting here that's going to.
Now, clearly, this is a civil deposition. I guess the family of Juvie and Sack Chaser, they're pursuing a civil lawsuit for something, and that's why they called him.
Keep it fair. And I'm cognizant of you having CRP, right? In one of your interviews, you talked about CRP.
Yeah.
For everybody else, that's courtroom phobia.
Yeah, phobia. Yeah.
The good news is we're not in a courtroom. Looks like you're at your house.
Yeah.
Okay. Is anybody there with you today?
My dogs.
Okay. Well, I don't think they're going to coach you too much on what to say, so we should be good there. Look, if you don't understand any of my questions, stop me and ask, right? Because I want to ask questions that you understand and get this dang thing over for you as soon as possible. I'm in Jacksonville, so I suspect there's going to be a hurricane ban coming this afternoon. Hear what we can a long time ago.
Here we go.
Go by.
Some girls call me.
That's
Okay.
Dang, or something.
What's your stage name, Fredo Bang?
Asking, I want to warn him into going any further with that, if that makes sense. And it's his right, and he can assert it, and the judge can rule on it.
So,
if that's what you're asking, the right to remain silent.
And do you recall a woman named Christine Bradley?
Never heard of it.
Okay. Do you recall meeting a prosecutor for the state of Florida in this case?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. And do you recall whether she offered you what's called immunity, meaning if you talk, they wouldn't prosecute you?
Objection to form.
And I'm also going to object, and I'm going to instruct Mr. Givens to assert his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
About whether he met with Ms. Bradley and was offered immunity?
That wasn't the question. The question was he offered immunity? If that's what you're asking, if that's the question you're asking, I want to warn him into going any further with that, if that makes sense. And it's his right, and he can assert it, and the judge can rule on it.
Certainly. Let me make the question clear. Do you recall whether you were ever offered immunity in exchange for giving testimony in this case?
And I'm going to instruct the witness to assert his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
As to that question, I'm going to ask that he answer that question.
What the question was?
Do you recall whether you were offered immunity in this case?
I think I was. I can't really recall.
Very good.
And John, so I'm sorry, just so the record's clear, John, when you say this case, you're referring to the criminal case, not the civil case.
Obviously, yeah. Anything related to, what happened, I think I said it the first question, what happened back in October of 2018.
And Mr. Bang, if you remember something, please state that you remembered. If you don't remember, please don't.
When I be saying I think I remember, I really think my head be kind of like, especially that I just woke up.
Okay. In the next series of questions are kind of ones I ask everybody, so don't.
Okay. I want to watch this, but I want to watch this in full. And I ain't gonna lie, if I sit here and watch this, I'm about to fall asleep. I ain't gonna cap at you. It's 2:00. All right. Let me get another. I need a shorter topic that I could do. Give me a shorter topic.